Hi everyone, my name is Austeja and I look after sales and marketing for SmartStart. For a long time, enterprise HR solutions were only really built with large organizations in mind. Growing businesses were often left behind and they were either priced out or stuck with tools that didn't scale as they grew. Implementations became complex, costly, and just not realistic for this segment. So many mid-market companies ended up managing HR manually or using disconnected systems, which limited visibility and efficiency. That's exactly the gaps Jigsaw Cloud and SAP SuccessFactors SmartStart were designed to fill, giving growing organizations access to the same world-class HR technology, but in a way that's simple, fast to implement, and affordable. We now have a short trailer for you just to look at an introduction to SmartStart from Jigsaw Cloud. Disconnected systems, endless admin, errors that slow you down. HR should empower people, not hold them back. Imagine if it just worked. Fast, reliable, secure. That's SmartStart by Jigsaw Cloud. Modern HR, powered by SAP SuccessFactors. Go live in weeks or even days. Flat annual fee, bank-grade security, fully compliant and built to scale. Trusted by growing organisations across the UK and Ireland to transform HR without breaking budgets. From admin to strategy, from frustration to flow. SmartStart turns HR chaos into clarity, so your team can lead, not chase spreadsheets. SmartStart, the HR upgrade you thought you couldn't afford. Discover more at jigsawcloud.com. Hopefully we enjoyed that little video. Here we have introduced SmartStart and it really changes the game for growing organizations. SmartStart is basically the shortcut to a modern HR system without the long, painful project. It's built for growing organizations that have outgrown spreadsheets or smaller tools, but don't want the cost and complexity of a full enterprise rollout. Because it's pre-configured for UK and Ireland, it can have you up and running in just a few weeks. It includes everything that you need, such as core HR, recruitment, and performance, all working together from day one. It's secure, compliant, and powered by SAP SuccessFactors, so you can trust it to scale your business as it grows. And the best part of it is that you're not left alone after your go live. You've got ongoing support from Jigsaw Cloud team who genuinely understand HR in growing organizations. So we now have a really quick poll again, just to get an idea of how feasible SuccessFactors would be for your organization. And then I will pass it back to Alan.
Let's wrap that poll up, Austeja, and I can kind of give a bit of a proof is in the pudding, obviously. I want to talk about one of our customers, Cleanova. They're in the oil and gas industry. They're a small company with a big vision. Now they're a big company with a solid HR foundation. So when Cleanova separated from its parent company, they suddenly needed their own HR system. They needed it fast. With around 400 employees and limited internal resources, speed and affordability were top priorities. So working with Jigsaw Cloud, they went live with SuccessFactors in just 8 weeks. The total cost of ownership came to under £100 per employee per year. That's less than a price of a coffee per person each week. But this wasn't just a quick fix. The system became the foundation for growth. When Cleanova then later tripled in size through a merger, they supported nearly 1,400 employees. Their HR platform scaled seamlessly. The HR team gained confidence, compliance, and visibility across the business, showing that transformation doesn't have to be slow or costly. The key takeaway here is HR transformation isn't about size, it's about ambition. So Cleanova proved that even a mid-sized organization can achieve enterprise-grade HR quickly and affordable. So just a recap on today, SuccessFactors, you can start with what matters most to you. So that could be HR, learning, recruitment, payroll, analytics, etc. And expand as your business grows. You're getting true enterprise level capability. It's the same platform global users use, but designed with and priced for the mid-market. Our pre-configured solution, SmartStart, means that you can go live in weeks, not months. So with best practices, processes ready out of the box.